Hello and assalamualaikum student, welcome to another video of study with ARS. Today's our topic is chemical bonding. So first of all, look at the means concept of chemical bonding. So basically chemical bonding uh, is the means relationship between the electrons of a valence shell of an atom. And chemical bonding is a relationship of electron relationship of an electron between the valence shell of an atom. In the valence shell means the last one shell, valence shells of an atom. So it means there would be something will gonna happen between the electrons of atoms to develop chemical bonding. What will gonna be happen? So the activity electron will gonna do is sharing. They will be sharing or transferring, sharing, one-sided sharing, or you may say transferring the electron, transferring. Okay, okay. Means chemical bonding is the relation in which the atoms will be having a valential electron, and which will be doing the activity of sharing or one-sided sharing, or you may say that transferring. These are three types of bonds. Okay, so now let's go for our types of bond. Ionic bond. And do you guys know that ionic bond is also known as electrovalent bond? Electrovalent bond. Okay, electrovalent bond, ionic bond or electrovalent bond. And other one we got here is the covalent bond. Covalent bond. And the last one is called dative bond. The other name of dative bond is also there, and the other name of dative bond is called coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Covalent bond. Okay, so let's look at the concept of ionic bond. So first of all, ionic bond was discovered by G. N. Cossel. It was discovered by Cossel. Discovered by Cossel. And here covalent bond was discovered by wait, let me do some space. So covalent bond was discovered by it was discovered by, so first let's look at here because I'm forgetting the name. Okay, so it was discovered means dative bond was discovered by Sedgwick. Okay, so I will be telling you later that who discovered the covalent bond. Okay, still now I am just forgetting it. Okay, so now here we are having the means concept of ionic bond. So the ionic bond is the simple thing that it will be having a transferring of electron. Means atom will gonna do transferring of uh, electron, and it is usually used to happen between metal, metal plus non metal. Okay, so it means it used to help between both characteristics, metal and non metal. And here if we are taking an example, so let's look at the example of calcium. Calcium is a metal, and means if you look at the example of non-metal, so here we will gonna take Cl2. Okay, so the valence shell of calcium contains 2 electron, and the valence shell of chlorine contains 7 electron. When it will be transferring as 1 electron towards this one chlorine, so it will be become 8, and because it will be become it will be stable, because according to octet rule that we have studied in our ninth class, that whenever an electron is having 8 valence electron, then it means it is following the octet rule, and now it is balanced. And if you look at the means, there are second means 2 chlorine na? So there were, therefore we are having the second one shell of chlorine, and this one electron will be, and the other one electron will be moving towards chlorine, and it will also become 8. And because of that, now it is also following the octet rule. So there are some means question that why elements used to make bonds. So elements used to make bonds only just because of this octet rule, means to get stabilized and to follow or to obey the octet rule. Okay, so here yeah, covalent bond was discovered by Lewis. Okay, I I was forgot it there. Okay, so now covalent bond is means concept is this, that it is a sharing, and which is the mutual sharing, means the equal sharing, mutual sharing. It will be coming the here. Okay, mutual sharing of electron, and it uh, usually used to happen only between non-metals, non-metals plus non-metals. Okay, so giving you the example of non-metal example is, you may say that hydrogen, and the other one is oxygen. So it will form a bond and will form OH. Or you may say that there is one more, it is a means, it will not consider as the means covalent bond. If you look at the diatomic form of hydrogen, so this one is the H2, this one is the pure covalent bond. Okay, you can compare it with that. Okay, so now we are having dative bond, which is also known as coordinate covalent bond, and discovered by Sedgwick. We'll see the concept of this one. Okay, so means dative bond or coordinate covalent bond is the one sided sided sharing of uh, lone pair lone paired electron. And now you will say, what is lone pair? So I will be telling you, one sided sharing of lone pair electron. Okay, so let's look at this concept. Here we are having high electronegative atom. Oxygen is it having a electronegativity of 3 point something else. Okay, I don't remember. So here look at the structure of water. Okay, look at the structure of water. Sorry, this actually will not be coming here. It is like this, due to a force, will not be telling now. Okay, so here we are having 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so here we are having, so no, I have to draw it here. Okay, so now it's 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now means if there is a structure of a water, so it will be like this, means 2 electron will be there, and one of them will be sharing with the hydrogen atom, and the other one pair will be sharing with the another hydrogen atom. So the valency of hydrogen was 1. Okay, but when it gains an electron from oxygen electron, so it become stable, this one hydrogen, and this one exactly like this, hydrogen 1 electron, oxygen's electron, when it get, it become 2, and it become stable. So the first cell can contain more only 2 electron, and means while they are having 2 electrons, so they are stable now. Okay, so now if for example there is a means another hydrogen which is having a positive charge, means it is having means no electron, it is means like this only with the nucleus. Okay, it is not having any electron, and it is having positive charge, only positive charge, only positive charge, no electron is there. Okay, so now what will be this hydrogen will be doing? Hydrogen will be coming here and will request for electron, and when means it is having a means a positive charge, and here there is a covalent bonding. So do you know that covalent bonding is a means a very weak bond? Okay, so hydrogen will try to attract this electron and will try to pull this electron. When this electron will become forward will there, so at that time, as I said that oxygen valency is 3.7 something. Okay, and the hydrogen valency is 2.1. So when hydrogen will be pulling this electron, but at the exact time oxygen will gonna means push towards itself, and hydrogen will gonna push towards itself. So this is the process which will be going on here, and this one sharing is called lone pair, and this one electron will be coming in the mid of a bond. Okay, so due to this atom also got stabilized. Okay, so means stative bond used to happen between only molecule and cation. What are cation? No, cations are positive charge particle. Molecule and cation used to make a dative bond. Dative bond. Okay. I'm sure that you are enjoying my bad writing. So I hope you have enjoyed my today's lecture. We'll see you in the very next video.